So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a US ETF to your watch list here on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo is opened up, what I want you to do is to first and foremost go to the bottom left and press on Watchlist. The simplest way here is to go press on Add in the middle. And if you're looking to add a US ETF that you actually know, for instance, you can press on Heat Rankings this way, define one right here. You can also go to the search right here for stocks or ETFs. But if you're not really too sure which ETF to add to your watch list, the simplest way would be to cancel out of here, go to the bottom left, press on Markets. Then where it says at the top, it says US, CA, or Canada ETFs. Press on ETFs right here. Then simply just scroll down. So if you wanted to add an index ETF of the S&P 500 or ticker symbol SPY, we can press on this right here. Go to the top right, press on Done, just like that. Exit out of this, and if we were to go back to the bottom left, press on Watch List, SPY or the US ETF that you selected should be right here. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add a US ETF to your watch list on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.